Hey, I'm Tyler Nemai, and I'm getting baptized today. My life before Jesus was like really... I was going down the wrong path. Before I met Jesus, I'll admit I was an underage drinker and I used to smoke marijuana. But I have stopped. Back in October, some friends invited me to the Storm event, and they had a part where they were all in prayer, and they said, anybody whose lives have been touched here today, just follow me into the office and I'll talk to you. So I followed into the office, talked to the guy's name was Chris. He was a real cool guy. And that's kind of how I got into the church. I learned about the youth group, and I started going to that. And I started coming to services, and that's how my life changed. Well, first off, I'm thinking a lot more clearly because I'm not drinking. I'm not under the influence of anything. Now that I'm going to church, I found Jesus, all of that is great. Because now I can think clearly. Everything in my life is actually turning around. I used to be down the wrong path, like I said. Everything in my life that had happened to me was pretty bad. Like my dad actually, he abandoned me, and I felt like that was my fault. And since I found Jesus, I've been able to forgive him for it. I want to be baptized because it feels like it's a sign not only that, yes, I'm a follower of Jesus Christ, but also it's a sign of my change. How I went from this, in my words, horrible kid, quote unquote, to this good kid. It's a sign of change for me. Yeah, my two best friends are baptizing me, Connor and Joe. And the reason they're baptizing me is because they're two people that mainly got me into this. And I thank them every day for it. Mom, if you're watching this, I bet you will be, then I thank you for being supportive of me all this time. And I know I don't say this much, but I love you, Mom. And to my stepdad, Casey, you're great. For my mom, I hope you guys have a great wedding. Thank you for supporting me. Alright, my name is Tyler, and I want to follow Jesus. Amen, people.